You don't have a prioritization problem. You have a building the wrong thing very efficiently problem. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see why your roadmap keeps you busy but not effective. Most product teams think progress is measured in shipped features. That belief quietly kills good products. The real progress metric is validated behavior change in your users. If nothing in their world changes, your feature is just decoration. Here's the mistake. You start with what can we build instead of what must change for this to matter. It feels productive to fill a backlog. It feels responsible to size tickets, assign owners, and hit sprint goals. But all of that can be perfectly executed and still completely useless. Notice how your planning meetings orbit effort, not impact. Story points, capacity, dependencies, dates. Almost nothing about what user behavior will prove this worked. That missing question is why you're drowning in work and starving for results. Here's the twist. Your roadmap should be a list of bets, not a list of features. Each bet has one core behavior you're trying to change. More users complete onboarding. More teams share dashboards. Fewer people abandon checkout. Simple, observable, binary. Then, and only then, do you ask, what's the smallest thing we can build to test this bet? Not the perfect thing, not the final thing. The smallest thing that can fail clearly. This flips your day from how do we ship more to how do we learn faster. It also makes saying no much easier. If a feature doesn't have a target behavior, it doesn't go on the roadmap. If a project can't state how we'll know it failed, it's not ready to start. Busy work hates clear failure conditions. Now, the practical move. Before you start any new feature, write one sentence. This will be a success only if users start doing X more or Y less within Z time. X is the behavior. Y is the opposite behavior. Z is the time box. Share that sentence with your team. Ask, what's the smallest experiment that could prove this wrong? Cut that experiment in half, then build only that. Track the behavior, not just the release. If the behavior doesn't move, you don't iterate blindly. You stop, ask why, and design a new bet. You're no longer a feature factory. You're a learning machine. The calm truth is, you don't need more hours, more tools, or more features. You need fewer, sharper bets on real behavior change. When you stop treating features as progress and start treating behavior change as progress, your work rate might look slower, but your impact will finally match your effort.